So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy NBA tickets here on Ticketmaster. So once Ticketmaster is opened up, I want you guys to go to this top bar to where it says sports and press on that. Now, once you're on the sports page here, you can select your location. So I have New York City as an example. But you can also use your current location or whatever location you're looking to buy tickets. It's pretty much right there. Now, once you guys are here, you guys can change the dates as well. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it to all dates just for this. Now, where it says all sports right here, we're looking for NBA tickets, so make sure that basketball is selected. Now, if you were to scroll down over here, so for example, New York Knicks versus Minnesota Timberwolves, we can go ahead and select this for preseason game as an example. So once your event is selected, you can go ahead and check out the seat map right here in regards to where you might want to sit. You can also scroll down to the tickets right here. You can do as many tickets as you're looking for, as well as filters. You can kind of change the filters right there. So for example, if you wanted to buy this ticket right here, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go ahead and scroll down. You can see what the price would be for these tickets. Once that is done, go to the bottom and press on next. Once you guys are on this page right here, this will be the checkout page. The timer starts in the top right, so for when it holds your tickets. But you can scroll down, add payment details right here, see the delivery. There's ticket insurance as well if you want that. You can also see the price breakdown, and if all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on place order, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy NBA tickets here on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.